दिस इज जयेश पारेख। भाई फॉरेस्ट रेंजर बाबू, आप कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच गए? आप तो फॉरेस्ट में थे और निकले थे 20 साल पहले, हमको मिले थे। एंड लुक एट यू नाउ, इनक्रेडिबल जर्नी। हैप्पी 50th बर्थडे एंड गॉड ब्लेस। लुक फॉरवर्ड टू सीइंग यू सून। बाय विनीत।
Happy 50th birthday, Vineet. Now that you've officially finished your 50 years, your Grihastha Ashram is over and you are now entering your Vanprastha Ashram. So here wishes from the one. Since you are a forester, that should not be a problem for you. You'll be happy going back to the forest. Time to return to the forest and have fun.
Hey Vineet, wish you a very happy birthday. Congratulations on an incredible 50 years. I'm sure that the next 50 will be even bigger, brighter, better, and obviously far more impactful. Have a wonderful day and a great year ahead. Take care. Bye.
Very happy birthday, Vineet. It's a very special occasion, being the 50th birthday. It's very easy for me to remember your birthday because I joined exactly on the same day about 11 years back in 2010. Extremely important milestone. It's been wonderful working with you and the group, and look forward to many years ahead. Thank you. Wish you all the best. God bless.
Hi Vineet, wish you a very happy birthday, to many years of success and happiness to you. Take care.
Hey Vineet, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. These are unusual times. Let's wait for things to get normal and let's all get together and celebrate the way it deserves to be. Until then, stay safe and enjoy your day. Happy birthday again.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Vineet. They say age is just a number, and that couldn't be any truer for you. I'm sure when you reflect upon the last 50 years that you've spent on this planet, you will be filled with immense joy and pride. And I'm so glad that I could play a small part in witnessing and partnering in this journey of yours. Hope you have a great day ahead and a fun-filled year. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hi Vineet, wishing you a very happy half-century birthday. What you achieved in the last 50 years is worth the effort of more than multiple centuries, and hence truly inspiring. It's been an honor to work for you and to work with you. Wishing you an even more successful innings ahead, and I'm sure the best is yet to come. A very happy birthday.
Vineet, here's wishing you a very happy 50th. Age is just a number, right? So do continue to inspire us with your youthfulness, energy and zeal that you always display. It's a big one, so have a good time with your family and friends. Happy birthday to you.
Meet 50, and you had all of us believe that you were a young sprightly chicken who's just barely out of his teens. Many congratulations on a milestone. I hope you add another 50 more years and keep the world a much better place with your enthusiasm, motivation and desire to do good. Enjoy yourself, have a great day. Cheers.
Hello Vineet, happy 50th. I hope you have a wonderful day. Welcome to the 50 Plus Club. It's a very unique club, you'll enjoy it, and have a blessed day. See you soon, bye bye.
Happy birthday Vineet. May the next 50 years of Vineet Rai be as prolific, exciting and impactful as the last 50 have been.
Happy birthday Vineet uncle. Lots of blessings.
Hi Vineet, happy 50th birthday. We actually wanted to buy you a cake but couldn't find one that's big enough to fit in all the candles. So we decided to do this video instead. Happy birthday boss, keep rocking.
Hi Vineet, a very happy birthday to you. I mean, I recall you're a fan of Sunny Bhai Gavaskar, so in typical Gavaskar style, I guess you're only in your middle of your first innings. So wish you a very long remaining first innings, and I guess pura second innings abhi baki hai. Many happy returns of the day. Bye bye.
Many happy returns of the day to a fellow Gemini. Vineet, the 0 to 50 has been like a typical Yuvraj Singh innings, if I may. Full of poise, determination, some ambitious shots, and of course full of impact. and in the process you've done what he's often done to the team, which is raised our spirits and enabled us to do more and do better. I pray and hope the next phase of your life is like Rohit Sharma innings, which is effortless yet full of elegance. Cheers.
Vineet, it's hard to believe that you have completed 50. Congratulations on your half century. I have been part of the last 15 now, and each one of those 15 years has had its share of challenges and emotions. When I look back at some of them, I feel they were quite insurmountable, but you've always been dogged and persistent, coming out of them flying and even more confident than before. You've achieved a lot before completing your half century, but just like most great batsmen build their innings slowly but let themselves lose once they have crossed the half century mark, I'm sure that we shall start seeing you hit those 4s and 6s and achieve heights that we may all not have dreamt of. A very happy birthday once again and my best wishes.
Happy 50th birthday, Vineet. It gives me extreme pride and privilege to work with you on your 50th. I wish you more milestone, more happiness and more billions of dollars to the group. May also your dreams of changing Hinterland India come true. To pay homage to you on your 50th, here's a little art that I've done as I wish you a very, very happy 50th birthday. Vineet, you don't look anything like this and you look much better, but this is just my humble attempt to recreate you and to wish you a very, very happy 50th birthday.
50 साल के नौजवान विनीत को हमारी तरफ से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आप इसी तरह तरक्की करते रहिए और हमारी भी तरक्की कराते रहिए, और इस तारीफ के लिए एक दारू का खंबा और कबाब हमारे घर ई-कॉमर्स के माध्यम से भिजवा दीजिए। हमारी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।